Hi, I'm Elisa Buckley with Remax Equity Group, and I've got a message for first-time home buyers out there. If you are tired of searching for homes online, saving them to your profile, and then having realtors get in touch with you to look at the home, and then you're like, well, I'm not ready yet, and so you go to another website, and the same thing happens, and then you're getting flustered because you're not finding the home that you want, and everything that you see is gone sale pending already, and you're being contacted left and right. Maybe you're going to open houses also, and you're being contacted left and right by those realtors as well. This is my advice to you. You're going to need a realtor, or you're going to want a realtor to help you make the offer on the home that you find that you want. There's earnest money agreements, promissory notes. There's all kinds of required addendums by the state. So you already know you're going to be using a realtor when it comes time to write the offer on the home, and that realtor will also hold your hand and help you throughout the entire process through closing. So my recommendation is find a realtor now. When you're starting your home search, talk to your neighbors, your relatives, your friends, find out who they used and were they happy, and if they were, get in touch with that realtor, let them know that you're looking for your first home and you need help, you want help, and we are there for you. We have access to the RMLS, which provides every single listing in our local area by every realtor in our local area, and we have access to that information quicker than you would find that same listing online. Not everything gets pushed out to the national search sites either. So there's lots of advantages to having a realtor help you from the very beginning. So anyway, that's just my 2 cents. If you I'm available. I act as a buyer's agent. I also do listings, but I've had several first-time buyers this year that we were able to get them in the home that they wanted, and they all said that it was such an easy process. They were surprised that they were able to get their offer accepted on the first house that they wanted, and that's because I worked with them to get everything set up in advance so that when we did find the right house, we were ready to go, and we were the winning offer. So anyway, I hope you'll get in touch with me. I would love to help you out. Thanks.